SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Or so they sort of thought. SLP for the most part faces opposition at $0.003. Or so they explicitly thought. Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense is buy esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the in a real sense bears for the most part has been laid out at $0.003. 23 July 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through genuinely smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is truly momentary cost expectation for kind of smooth love elixir? By and large is SLP a very wise speculation, which certainly is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels, and so on in an exceptionally huge manner. However, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the SLP specialized examination, for the most part allowed us by and large to discuss the truly current economic situations in a kind of significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687 in an unpretentious manner. The very complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $23,363,779,520 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. Which explicitly is very huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, so which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, pretty further appearance. How SLP fundamentally faces opposition at $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB, truly is up by 0.7 and right now exchanging at $243.64, which truly shows that smooth love mixture in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the certainly bears generally has been laid out at $0.003. 23 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through by and large smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is most certainly transient cost expectation for certainly smooth love mixture? Generally is SLP an especially wise speculation, which sort of is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which all things considered, is very critical. These occasions certainly show that the market sort of is going in a descending bearing for kind of present moment, or so they especially thought. Right now, an essentially broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing how the genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $23,363,779,520, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become considerably more essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in an exceptionally enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors for the most part move pretty dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours. Further appearance how SLP certainly faces opposition at $0.003, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, extremely smooth love elixir execution. The especially everyday outline of especially smooth love elixir generally shows that the SLP cost generally has a descending development, with a 1.18% lessening in truly beyond 24 hours, which really is very huge. The value worth of the essentially smooth love elixir SLP coin most certainly is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars. So right now, an extremely broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume really is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars. Genuinely further appearance how the value worth of the truly smooth love elixir SLP coin is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars. So as of now, a general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking, smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost examination for 23 July 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, really made sense of underneath in an all things considered significant way. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every way that really matters. Normal EMA to basically dissect the future development of the truly smooth love potion. The in every way that really matters, relative strength file. RSI shows that the SLP coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they by and large thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $23,363,779,520, which explicitly is very critical. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day graph, showing that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time.